letter T. Let's hear my story.
One day, a tiger found a red tomato rolling by the pond. A turtle crawled over slowly and said,
Can we eat it together?
"Yes!" roared the tiger. They shared the yummy tomato happily.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See? Hello, everyone. I'm the letter U. Let's hear my story.
Today it is raining. Urwa is wearing her school uniform. Her mother gave her an umbrella to go to school. Urwa, hold the umbrella and go to school.